So mga kabahay, another day, another house tour here at Versailles, Alabang. So as you can see, andito naman tayo ngayon sa Adelaide model. This is a single detached property. As you can see dito sa carport area, kasya pa rin dito ang 4 cars. Ang ating flooring is made of pebbles and tiles. Naka-covered ang half portion ng ating carport area. Let's get inside. Let's check here our setback area. This is the service area. We have access here going to our kitchen area. So as you can see, meron tayo ditong enough space papunta sa ating lanay area. Ditong sliding door, access to our dining area. And meron pa rin tayo ditong another setback area where you can set a landscape garden. So same as other models here at the Versailles, here is Adelaide frontage. So as you can see, malawak din ang ating frontage. Ito naman ang ating access papunta sa ating. So dito sa Adelaide model, mga kabahay, meron tayong high ceiling dito sa ating living area. As you can see, free ang ating layout. So meron tayo dito ang living area and on this side will be your dining area. On this side naman is the kitchen area. So upon turnover, meron na tayong built-in cabinet na included sa ating turnover. Meron din tayo dito access papunta sa ating service area or laundry area. So meron tayo dito maid's room sa ating ground floor with own toilet and bath. On this side naman mga kabahay, meron tayong powder room. On the other door, ito is an access going to our carport area. So dito sa ating second floor, meron tayong staircase na made of concrete and wood. And then ito ang bedroom number 1. We have a total of 3 bedrooms here at the second floor, mga kabahay. So on this side will be the bedroom number 2. So dito sa bedroom number 2, kasya dito ang double size bed. Meron pa rin tayo ditong built-in cabinets. And syempre, meron tayo ditong own toilet and bath. So this is the bedroom number 3. Same as bedroom number 2, kasya dito ang double size bed. Meron pa rin tayong built-in cabinet. And syempre, meron pa rin tayo ditong own toilet and bath. Before we move to our master's bedroom, makikita nyo meron tayo ditong hallway. And dito sa hallway natin ay meron tayong view papunta sa ating living area. Check natin ang ating master's bedroom. So dito sa master's bedroom, mga kabahay, makikita nyo maluwag ang ating space. Kasya dito up to queen size bed. Meron tayong access papunta sa balcony. And of course, meron tayong own toilet and bath with walk-in closet. So this is the master's walk-in closet. And on this side naman is the master's toilet and bath. Let's check the balcony area here at the master's bedroom. If you are interested kabahay to view this Adelaide model, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. Thank you for watching mga kabahay.